There's something that I can't quite explain. I'm so in love with you. You never take that away. And if I said it 100 times before, expect 1,000 more. You never take that away. Well, expect me to be calling you to see if you're okay when I'm not around, asking if you love me. I love the way you make it sound. Calling you to see, do I try too hard to make you smile, to make us smile? Well, I will keep calling you to see if you're sleeping or you're dreaming. If you're dreaming or you're dreaming of me. I can't believe you actually picked me. I thought that the world had lost its way. Then I fell in love with you, and you took that away. You take away the old, show me the new, and I feel like I can fly when I stand next to you. So while I'm on this phone, 100 miles from home, I'll take the words you gave and send them back to you. I only wanna see if you're okay when I'm not around, asking if you love me. I love the way you make a sound. Calling you, see, do I try too hard to make you smile?